LangGraph for stateful AI agents. LangGraph is a specialized framework designed to create stateful AI agents that can manage long-term interactions and goal-oriented tasks, making it ideal for applications where maintaining context over time is critical. Unlike reactive agents that respond to stimuli with no memory of prior interactions, LangGraph-powered agents remember past interactions, allowing them to handle complex, ongoing conversations and adapt their responses based on the user's goals and history. This capability makes LangGraph especially useful in scenarios like customer service, virtual assistants, and personalized recommendation systems, where maintaining continuity in conversations and decision-making is essential for delivering a seamless user experience. Managing conversations and goal-oriented agents. One of the core strengths of LangGraph is its ability to manage goal-oriented agents designed to achieve specific objectives within a conversation or interaction. These agents are built to not only react to immediate inputs, but also work toward predefined or evolving goals. For example, a customer service bot built with LangGraph may be programmed to solve a customer's technical issue. Over the course of the conversation, it could ask diagnostic questions, offer troubleshooting steps, and track progress toward the goal of resolving the issue, while maintaining awareness of the context. Goal-oriented agents in LangGraph can break down a broader task into smaller subtasks, using the framework's structure to manage dependencies and track which goals have been achieved. This is particularly useful in situations where agents need to follow multi-step workflows or handle complex customer inquiries. LangGraph enables these agents to manage conversations that span multiple turns, ensuring that the agent remains focused on the user's needs throughout the interaction. For instance, in a technical support interaction, the agent might first gather information about the problem, suggest possible solutions, and then escalate the issue to a human agent if necessary, all while maintaining the context of the interaction and keeping track of what has been attempted so far. This type of state management is essential for avoiding repetitive questions and ensuring that the user doesn't need to provide the same information multiple times. Stateful interactions and long-term context retention. The defining feature of LangGraph is its ability to manage stateful interactions, where the AI agent retains information from previous interactions to inform future responses. Statefulness allows the agent to remember details from earlier conversations, such as user preferences, past problems, or recurring questions, and use that information to provide more personalized and efficient responses. In traditional AI systems, once a conversation ends, the context is typically lost, and the system starts fresh the next time the user interacts with it. This can lead to frustrating user experiences, where customers have to repeat themselves or re-explain their needs. In contrast, LangGraph's stateful agents are designed to retain context across multiple sessions, ensuring that the agent remembers key information and can pick up where it left off, even after a gap in the interaction. For example, imagine a user interacting with a virtual travel assistant to plan a vacation. In the initial conversation, the user might specify their preferred travel dates, budget, and desired destinations. Even if the conversation is paused and resumed days later, a LangGraph-powered agent will recall these preferences, allowing it to continue offering relevant suggestions without needing the user to re-enter this information. This continuity is particularly important in applications where user preferences or goals are unlikely to change significantly over short periods. LangGraph achieves long-term context retention through its advanced memory structures and context management capabilities. These features allow the agent to store relevant data securely and access it efficiently when needed, ensuring that the conversation remains coherent and contextually relevant over time. This capability is essential in fields like customer service, where interactions may occur intermittently over days, weeks, or even months. Additionally, the ability to retain long-term context helps LangGraph agents to anticipate user needs. By analyzing past interactions, the agent can predict what the user might need next and proactively offer suggestions or solutions. For example, if a customer frequently contacts a technical support bot about a specific product feature, the agent can proactively provide troubleshooting tips or updates related to that feature in future conversations. LangGraph is a highly specialized framework for building stateful AI agents, capable of managing complex, long-term interactions. Its focus on maintaining conversation context, managing goal-oriented tasks, and retaining long-term user information makes it ideal for applications where continuity and personalization are key. Whether it's customer service, virtual assistants, or any other domain requiring sustained interaction, LangGraph provides the tools necessary for building intelligent agents that can think, plan, and act with both short-term goals and long-term memory in mind.